Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Saint Lucia. We can do this using the eSIM.app platform. By going down into the description of this video below, the first link you're going to be able to see and open up is the eSIM platform that you want to open up. That's going to take you to this main page from where we can get started. You also want to make sure to stay till the end of the video, as we are going to go ahead and be explaining step by step how to install the eSIM. Basically, this is going to be the home page once you open up the link. You can compare unlimited plans with fixed plans right here. You're going to see unlimited plans are usually the best offer, as you're going to be getting unlimited data for similar prices. So select your plan right here and go into the checkout option. Once on the checkout option, you can choose a payment method, let's say PayPal, after which you can make the purchase. Once you purchase the eSIM successfully, now we can get started installing it. So it doesn't matter if you're on Android or iPhone, the process is pretty similar. Here we have the step-by-step for iPhone. You're going to open up the iOS eSIM application, access the eSIM page, and then tap the install button. Once you tap on install, it's going to enable you to click on the add cellular plan option and then select your mobile data. So make sure to select eSIM plan, after which for the default one you're going to select primary, and this is going to enable you to turn on these options as well. If you want to start using the plan immediately, make sure the eSIM profile is turned on, as well as data roaming, and this is how to install it. You can also install it by scanning the QR code. So what you can do is on the setup cellular screen, you're going to select the use QR code option. So go into your mobile settings, click add data plan, and then click to use the QR code, after which we can get started with scanning the QR code we have gotten in the eSIM application itself. What we can also do is follow the Android steps right here. So what you can do is open up the eSIM application, click the help option, and then access eSIM installation. After which it's going to enable us to click on the install button. So once you click on the install button, you can follow the rest of the steps right here by going to the settings on your mobile phone and finishing up the installation just like on iPhone. And you can also install it using the QR code. So by going into your settings, connections, and then accessing the add mobile plan option, it's going to enable you to go ahead and click to scan a QR code, where you can scan the QR code you have gotten on your email address or within the application itself. And this is how it's done. So if you want to get your eSIM today, go into the description of this video, access the first link you see, and get started with choosing your plan today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.